What's up guys, it's Electrified here and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel. So this is completely free, and but in this website you have to make account, and I already have account. You have to press the start designing. I already have account, but you have to make one if you don't have. And this is the website. It's called Banner Snack, and this was template. You can change stuff on it. See, if you have gaming channel, you can pick gaming banner. You have tech channel like food, cooking, like that. So there's categories: education, blog, lifestyle, business. There's no business templates, software, tech, education, and yeah. So I'm gonna use this one, the first template, gaming republic. So I'm gonna change this topic to, I'm gonna delete it, and I'm gonna put electric fire, my name. And you can change everything, that circle or the online gaming channel, that text. And I'm gonna put and I'm gonna change it into gaming channel, not online. And I'm gonna change that website to electricfire@gmail.com. And so there's some stuff to edit, and I'm not gonna use those stuff now in this video. I'm gonna make this video shorter. So guys, if you are done, you see that icon play, you can see what your banner looks like, and press save and put like a name to your banner. And I'm gonna put example and press save. You don't have to do anything else, just press it and go to your banner and click that arrow icon, and you can choose what type of image. I'm gonna put JPG, and it's gonna start downloading. So the banner looks like this. It's pretty nice. So guys, yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. If you need something else, tutorial videos, tech videos, make sure to comment down below. And next I'm gonna do another video of how to make your channel logo, and I'll show you guys that video soon. So subscribe for more videos, and like if you like, share with your friends. So guys, thank you so much for watching.